Can I ask you something? Scroll, 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 distraction. Or read, 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 depth. What would you choose? Honestly, scrolling. To be brutally honest, scrolling owns us. Yes, because it's easier, faster. But lately, I've been noticing something. The more we consume fast things, the harder it becomes to sit with anything real. And books are not fast. They don't try to impress you in 10 seconds. Sometimes they entertain you. Sometimes they challenge you. Sometimes they make you laugh. And sometimes they hit you with something so honest that you don't know how to deal with it. That's what interests me. Not just great literature, but what it actually does to us. Because somewhere in those pages is our own life. And I feel like we are losing that connection. Not because books disappeared, but because we stopped giving them time. That's why I'm starting this channel. I want to take the works of the world's greatest minds, their novels, essays, short stories, poems, and bring those ideas here, not as summaries, but as something we can actually think and feel about. From across the world, and especially from Tamil. Tamil is not just an ancient old language, it's a living one. While many ancient languages faded, Tamil is still here, growing, evolving, and questioning life. From the sharpness of its ancient verses to the voice of modern literature, there is a depth and simplicity that anyone can connect to. I want to take that forward and let Tamil echo across the world louder than ever. Now think about this. We live in a time where you can ask anything and get an answer instantly. But where did all those answers come from? It comes from what humans have already written, from people who took the time to think deeply and put it into words. Yes, from books. Even today, books are the foundation of the modern world. That's exactly why this channel exists. This is a space to explore ideas from literature, not just serious philosophy or psychology, but also the stories of imagination, like science fiction, new worlds, the stories that can expand how we think. But I'll be honest with you, I can only take it so far. I can explain, I can interpret, but I can't do the most important part for you. You have to sit with it. You have to read and think and let it stay with you. Because that's where knowledge becomes something else, something personal. Today, with all these gadgets, all this entertainment, all this technology, you are still lonely. You feel numb, you feel lost. Sometimes you don't even understand yourself, and that's where books come in. Books remind you that whatever you're feeling, someone somewhere has felt it. They humbly remind you that you are just a small little brat in this vast universe, and yet limitless in what you can become. Books are not just entertainment, they are knowledge becoming wisdom over time. If you want to understand life, not just reacting to it, reading might be where it begins. Because in the end, books don't just fill your mind, they shape the way you live. And ideas, they don't come ready made. They grow, they change, they stay with you, and they ferment.